Today, we gotta add a lot of flour to the pizza. Like this. See? No problem. When you're making a pizza, put on all the flour. Pat, pat, here and there. Pat, pat, here and there. Pat, pat, here and there. Pat, either way you go. Now you roll the pizza just like that. Roll, 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 so roll, roll, roll along. Roll, roll, roll the pizza just like you always do. Now remember, kids, when you're rolling a pizza, you gotta roll 2 times this way and roll 2 times that way. Roll, roll, here and there. Roll, roll, up and down. Roll, roll, this way or that way, if it's how that works.